Welcome to this exceptional opportunity for a spacious, elegant home with spectacular ocean views. Nestled in Seaside Sunset Hills neighborhood, you'll enjoy private outdoor spaces for watching beautiful sunsets and gathering with friends and family. Heading inside, you'll discover a masterfully crafted interior. From the vaulted beam ceilings to the beautiful craftsmanship, no detail is overlooked. Head outside to the expansive deck, ready for entertaining as you take in the fresh sea air and beautiful views. Back inside, the thoughtfully designed interior includes walls of windows from nearly every room. Enjoy the vaulted gourmet kitchen with expansive windows, a dining nook, and a large walk-in pantry. The main floor master suite has direct access to its own private deck. You can unwind in the luxurious master bath with a dual sink vanity, a deep tub, and a huge walk-in shower. Plus a spacious walk-in closet. Find your favorite vintage in the wine room. This home of more than 4,300 square feet has plenty of space with 3 master suites. On the lower level, you'll find another large living area with access to the patio, where you can relax by the fireplace. Double doors lead to the office. And you'll find another large bedroom suite. Plus a bonus bedroom with a walk-in closet. Your private yard is ready for relaxing or family fun in this perfectly serene setting. An exceptional home with panoramic ocean views. It's all here ready for you to call home. This is just a preview. There's so much more for you to see. For more information or to schedule your own personal tour, please contact Krisi Israel with Premier Property Group at 503-468-2099.